Hello, everybody. This is Cheree, your favorite lender at SimpliFunded. You can find us at simplifunded.com. You could call or text me at 703-951-4419. I'm going to put it here on the display here for you. Call or text 703-951-4419. Today's conversation is all about unwarrantable condos. So, two questions I'm going to answer, during the session is number one, what is an unwarrantable condo? And then number two, how do you still get funded if you want to purchase an unwarrantable condo? So the first question is, what is an unwarrantable condo? I'm going to share my screen here, and this is an article here with regards to that. When a condo is labeled as unwarrantable, it means that it does not meet conventional guidelines and will not be bought by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. So many lenders consider financing a mortgage of this type to be too risky. An unwarrantable condo, some reasons that condos are considered unwarrantable. Number one, the project is a new construction or is yet to be completed. Number two, the developer has not turned over control of the HOA to its owners. Number three, this is a big one. A high percentage of units are occupied by non-owners. Number four, the community allows short-term rentals. Number five, this is the other really big reason that we get people who are looking to get funding for an unwarrantable condo. A single person or entity owns more than 10% of the total unit. So sometimes you will have a company, for example, that owns a larger amount of units of these unwarrantable condos. And then number six, the building owner or developer is involved in litigation of any kind. So when it comes to talking about litigation, for example, I recently got a request to fund an unwarrantable condo, and it turns out that the tenants in the building were suing the HOA. Well, guess what? We could still fund that unwarrantable condo. The only unwarrantable condos thus far that I've come across where we are not able to fund them is if they are less than 600 square feet, or if there is some sort of structural issue with regards to the condo, or if the condo does not have enough money in repair reserves. Then I have seen where the unwarrantable condo cannot get funded. But if you try to go to a bank, for example, pick your big bank, pick your small bank, pick your credit union, they're going to say, no, we will not fund this unwarrantable or non-warrantable condo. But if you come to me, your favorite lender, you are able to do that. So you can call or text me, 703-951-4419. Just a couple of things to note with regards to the unwarrantable condos. You are able to give us your full documentation or a bank statement. You can give us 12 months of bank statements in order to be funded for your unwarrantable condo. You could be self-employed, you could have a W-2, doesn't matter. You will pay a little bit more in a down payment because these are a little bit more risky loans. So if you're thinking you're going to, get in for 3% down or something like that, that isn't really a thing. You're going to have to pay a little bit more. But there are other companies out there that will do quote unquote hard money and will loan, for 12, 15% interest. We don't do that. So you will pay a little bit more interest, but it's usually like a point more. So you can get up to $3 million, depending on you and your, credit score and things like that. These are 30-year fixed, or you can get adjustable rate mortgage loans. And the minimum credit score for the most part is about a 660 for these loans. So for the most part, you need to be the owner occupant for these unwarrantable condo loans. But always check in with me because I always get access to new lenders, and some of them may be willing to do it for an investment property. Actually, I take it back. I did have somebody who was going to buy it for buy their unwarrantable condo for an investment property, and one of the lenders I had said yes. So, hey, good to see you. Good to see you. All right, everybody. Again, 703-951-4419. You could call or text me. If you're looking for any kind of loan, for real estate, whether you're an investor, self-employed person, or you're looking to buy a home for yourself, you and your family to live in, I would love an opportunity to assist you. So other than that, just wanted to again give you a little bit of information about unwarrantable condos. I do get calls often enough with regards to this type of real estate, and you are able to get those funded. So if you need me for any reason, of course, call or text that number, 703-951-4419. All right. Thanks so much. Take care. Have a good day.